to my channel, everybody. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I am out and about with a friend who's on a S1000rr, one of the newer generation ones, not the old ones. And yeah, we're planning on doing a little bit of a road trip kind of excursion out into the hills and going to the observatory, big dam, all that kind of stuff. As you can see, that is the city skyline of Perth City. It should give you a rough gauge as to how far away we are from civilization and how far we plan on going further out. But for the meantime, we're heading to my parents' place because I believe my mother has locked herself out of the house in the backyard. And over here we tend to have pretty high fences and whatnot, and well, she has a bit of vertigo, so she can't seem to be able to climb them or hop over. So I am on having to make a detour on this ride to go and, yeah, let her out, essentially. We're going to be doing the track in reverse. So there is no rush. We've got a bit of a long weekend situation going on in Western Australia due to well, we're observing the Queen's Death public holiday, which was yesterday. Today is just supposed to be a normal day of just work and whatnot, but most people have taken it off, to be honest. And well, let's say Monday's a public holiday as well, so as you'll definitely know, public holidays in Australia comes with a caveat. And that caveat is, well, if you get caught speeding or doing anything stupid, the fines and all that are double, and you lose double the points on your license. So, higher fine, higher demerit loss. It's supposed to prevent people from speeding and all that kind of stuff, which, studies have shown that that kind of shit doesn't really stop anyone from doing stupid stuff, so it is what it is, man. It is. Oi! This door's open here. So is the door. Yeah. I was gonna do it now, but have it go in reverse. So it should. Yeah. She just got locked out doing the gardening. We have officially started our climb into the hills. And yeah, get to enjoy this beautiful, beautiful clear day. I am absolutely ecstatic to be on the bike again, because since the last ride I was on with my friend Tim over here on the BMW, yeah, we have it. I haven't been back on the bike, I think, since then, which I'm thinking it's about 2 weeks ago, if not a little bit more. So yeah, I've been busy. So a nice little Friday ride to kind of like break into the weekend kind of thing is kind of nice. Not to mention, I don't know if I mentioned already, but tomorrow it's almost 90% chance of rain, and it's going to be rain the whole day, and then Sunday is going to be okay, and then Monday there's going to be a little bit of rain here and there. So yeah, making the most out of a situation, right? And here we are, ladies and gentlemen, the road. was just thinking, pictures, this spot here and down there is pretty good, because all we need to do is turn the bikes that way and you've got the entire dam essentially. Yeah.
Yeah, in fact, last time I was here, I saw the gate and I was thinking it was closed. And I started taking pictures. A car comes up, and actually is the guy that opens up the gate. And then
Oh, to let people in, right?
because it opens during the day, I think it doesn't open before 11 a.m. something like that. But today must be closed because it's already 2 o'clock.
Mm.
Yeah.
Oh. He's all good. Oh. That was delicious. These used to be motorcycle bays. Because this used to, like, all that used to be motorcycle bays as well. Oh, you'll be fine here though. Now I know if one place isn't open here, there's like 4 or 5 cafes.